In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view 1099s in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to see the forms you've already filed, how to open them, and a few tips to make the process smooth and reliable. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen. Look to the left side navigation menu and move your cursor over the All Apps option. When you hover there, QuickBooks will show you a set of categories that group related tools. Slide your cursor over to Expenses and Bills. This is where QuickBooks keeps the 1099 tools that relate to paying contractors. In the Expenses and Bills area, click 1099s. That takes you to the 1099 Center for your company. You'll typically see an area for preparing forms and another for those you've already filed. Since we're focused on viewing completed paperwork, go straight to the Completed Forms section. Click it to open the list of 1099s that have been filed for your business. Here, you should see your completed 1099s organized by filing year. If you're not seeing what you expect, look for a year selector or filter and switch to the correct tax year. Many businesses file in January for the prior year's payments, so it's common to need to change the year. If the list is long, use any available search or sorting options to quickly find a specific contractor or form. Make sure pop-up blockers are disabled in your browser, since viewing or downloading a PDF can open a new tab. To view a form, select it from the list. QuickBooks will open a preview so you can confirm contractor details, totals, and the form type, such as 1099 NEC. From this view, you can usually download a PDF or print a copy for your records. If a form doesn't open, refresh the page and try again, or check that you're looking at the right company and year. If nothing appears at all, it may mean the filing wasn't completed in QuickBooks for that year. A few best practices. As you review, verify that contractor names and taxpayer identification numbers look correct, and that payment totals match what you recorded in expenses. QuickBooks typically masks sensitive numbers on screen for security, which is normal. Keep downloaded copies in a secure location to meet your record retention needs. If you work in multiple companies or subscriptions, repeat the same steps in each one. That's it. Hover over All Apps, move into Expenses and Bills, click 1099s, open completed forms, and then view, download, or print any filed 1099 you need. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.